then I go check in over there.
So you do have
you just go to this German.
Okay, cool.
They come to 212.99.
So a few quick things then, my friend. The purple credential is going to go on your workbench once you're inside. Yeah, so you wear that pin one. Yeah, perfect. You're all set there. Now, last but not least, any hollow scans, hollow videos, perfectly acceptable. Just make sure that flash is turned off. Our equipment inside is very sensitive. We don't want anything happening. If you wait right here in the corral, the gatherer will be with you guys shortly. All right.
So I forced this one this morning myself. I love playing with scrap metal. I'm very in tune with my surroundings. I see like yourself, the elements of nature. So I did want to show you how I forged mine this morning and how you'll be forging those very shortly. So there's 5 major components. So the top is going to be the emitter. Would you mind holding that for me? The bottom you have your pommel cap that houses your power cell. You get your selection of 2 grips. I've got 4, and they are interchangeable. You can do top or bottom. And then in the center you have your activation plates. Now the chassis is the heart of every single one of these. Now you see there's a red square and a blue square. And that matches the blue square and the red square inside of your activation plates. And the blue square will go directly on top of the blue square right here. And the red square will match directly on top of the red square. Then you have your grips. Would you like this on the top or the bottom? Bottom. So you see there's a thicker side with a thread inside. That's going to go towards the activation plate, either top or bottom, whichever you choose. So if you choose the bottom, apply a little bit of pressure and twist until it feels nice and tight. And then I have another one. We'll put this one on top. And the same, there's a little bit of pressure. Sometimes it helps if you hold the activation plates. And then I have a pommel cap at the bottom. And then finally, last but not least, you have your emitter as well. I know you all are very excited, and the gather's going to be very shortly. That's just a quick little demonstration of what you're about to do. You give up for the first order. I see the Stormtrooper Dean and Kylo Ren around. So if you see them, please let us know. Remember, I already know. Okay, and my builders and my plus ones, can you please kind of just start forming a section around here?
Credentials all the way forward.
How cool is this?
You weren't following, were you? You weren't followed, correct? Welcome to the workshop. I know it's a little, it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Some of you may look around and see what appears to be a bunch of old junk, but let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. Now I see you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kimbe. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the farthest reaches of the galaxy for ancient artifacts. We search the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. Now what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper would see worthless clutter, to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You have all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct? Yes. Correct?
Yes.
Well, we have caught wind of another, a new Jedi. Anyone know her name? Rey. Correct. Now, what Rey is leaving is the spark of hope that many have been waiting for. And that is why you are here today, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now the saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them, binding them. And you will feel that connection today. But enough talk. Let us begin. And so, we begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now the color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue. Wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now as we hear, Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and now Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. And we are here for you, our future. The time has come for you to select your very own Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, please indulge me. Close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. And in your mind's eye, picture your Kyber crystal. What color do you see in the line? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you as well. Builders, open your eyes and take your Kyber crystal. Very well done. Place your Kyber crystal in the green crystal holder in front of you. It is now time to join your Kyber crystal with the saber design you have selected. We begin with the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control, and also the part that keeps your hand from being disintegrated. Now in front of you are the saber components you have each selected today. Review them carefully, from left to right. Starting at the very far left, you will find your chassis. Moving to the far right, you will find your activation plates. In the middle, you will find your grips, pummel caps, and emitters. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey, and just as you select your Kyber crystal, you will choose each individual part that will make up your very own lightsaber. The gatherers are here to assist you on this journey. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Very well. Let us build.
Rising Moon Travelers, my name is Andy. I'm going to be your gatherer. So first, grab your chassis. Make sure the lines are facing up, okay? So flip that chassis around. Perfect. And now the next step will be grab your Kyber crystal. Okay? Insert your Kyber crystal in between and your chassis. And it should look something like this. Spinning freely and nice.
It will send to you, and it will also be able to spin whenever you want.
Awesome. Just make sure you... Yep, perfect. You need any assistance?
Mom, what do we think? These two?
What they think.
These two?
Okay, so next step will be step number 5 on your bin, which is going to be your activation plates. And then if you see in the plates, it's going to say red and blue dot. So once you do that, choose the thickest part towards the middle, push down, you have your action place, push and twist.
We are going to put on the section.
There you go, perfect. Yep, and now you can choose the next one. So now you can choose the next
Two
side.
of the four, and you
Hold your chassis by
choose the thickest
part of your sleeve. It's better if you do one at a time. Once you, I mean, you can put that to see how it looks, but once you're installing it, you need to choose one. So what you do is that you hold it by the middle, you push, and while pushing, you twist slightly. And do the same thing the next side. Okay, now you can choose your emitter. Your emitter is going to go on the hollow part of your chassis, and then this part will go on the there we go.
So how do I get to lock in?
So you hold it by the middle, and then you push. So you have to hold it and keep twisting it. Don't be afraid to be like, there you go, see? You have to push somewhat force while pushing this down, okay? So try with this piece, so you get the hang of it. So push down, and twist. Okay, now you can go and choose your emitters and your end cap. Just be cautious, once your sleeves have stopped, do not over twist them. Even though they might not align, each strap is unique. So if you do over twist it, once it's stopped, you will strip. And both of these are opposite to each other. So that's why whenever you're tightening anything, just hold it by the middle. Okay? If you are done, you can place your belt right here. So it's either one or the other. So you already chose the set. So it's, if you want those, you will have to
Take this off.
yeah, I can. You just what you can do is just loosen everything slightly, and then they'll just come off. Okay.
Now this right here will be how you'll turn your lightsaber on and off. Is with that right there.
And everything will like roll down, and then now you can just separate.
Now I do see hills
I'm
from
just
the
taking these
old
off.
Republic,
Take
ancient
this
script.
off.
Yes,
Make
if
me
you
want
want
to
these.
become your hilt.
These is
My
your
friend.
activation plate.
Do you know what your
So
hilt
your hilt
is
is done unless you want to swap these.
No, I want to leave that.
Okay, so now just reattach it.
So we'll choose.
So emitter will go on this part, and then the end cap will go on the other. You can choose one of the two.
Powerful hilt, power and control. Now it is imperative for you each to know, those who have power and control, the balance between power and control is imperative.
So
Too
with
far
this
to
one,
either
just
side
hold this down.
could prove to be detrimental. But you knew that, did you?
There you go. These have a stencil, so once you move it, if you move it,
Those are, you gotta get them lined up right
all the
before
way
you
around.
twist. It is a little bit.
Luke, how did I know you would
Difficult
choose the green
sometimes.
kyber crystal? I saw you.
May I?
Just grab this for you.
There we go. If you want to finish twisting it off, I'll get these extra pieces out of it.
And then this is going to be your activation.
Just like the way it looks. Sometimes it's as simple as that. The pieces do indeed call to you. Wonderful
gold
job,
switch is gonna
everybody.
pay
The
back.
simple greatness from the scraps that we have acquired. Excuse my excitement. It has just been so long since I have seen so many hilts in this workshop. You have each just built your hilt, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened, because why would it? Which actually brings us to the most dangerous part of the process. Builders, leave your completed hilts in the hilt saddle at your station and move back. The illusion of safety is valued here in the workshop, so That is all it takes to do today. Now the gatherers are stabilizing each of your kyber crystals for activation, and this is a dangerous process that should only be done with a steady hand, years of experience, and a lot of confidence. Just last week, I may or may not have inverted an emitter matrix C's or 3, and it resulted in an impromptu haircut. My friend, you are very close to thermal detonator, so just take one step forward. Could have been catfish. What's happening?
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
It is indeed time to take that first step, Master Yoda. We have reached the final stage in the process today. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. So Builders, in a moment, you will step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together, on my signal, we will activate our sabers together. Move forward, Builders. Place your hand on the hilt and wait for it. Activate. Builders. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. It only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. I know it's the hardest part.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Master Yoda, thank you. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present lightsaber sheaths as you depart. Our time has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time to make your part of the galaxy. And remember, you are each as magnificent and unique as the lightsabers you have built today. Maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Till the spire, my friend. Till the spire.
Good fortunes, travelers.
Thank you.
So inspired.
Clay, come over here and show me how you're gonna
Blade first.
show me how that's gonna work.
It goes like this. Blade first.
Okay, this nice carrying case. Right, goes over your shoulder. All right, all for $1.99. That's great. I highly recommend it.
Yes.